How to make 3D text in After Effects. Let's get into it. Create your text layer and position it where you want to in your video. Then select the layer and then enable 3D options. Next, come up to Layer, choose New, Camera. Name it how you want, make it 35mm, choose OK. Press Option or Alt on your keyboard, click and rotate your text like so. Next, click into your text layer and click the drop down arrow, come into Geometry Options, and then for extrusion depth, increase this amount until you're happy with the level of 3D text. Next, come over to where it says one view, change this to 2 views. Then select the left view and change this to active camera, then select the right view and change this to top. Next, come up to Layer, New, Light. Create a parallel light, we can use these settings that I have here, and then choose OK. Now by doing this, this is going to light our text. What I'm going to do is move this first light to the right, like so, and then change the point of interest to the center, and then select that light, press Command or Control D on your keyboard to duplicate, then come back over to your top view, and then just simply drag that second light we've just created over to the right, and change the point of interest to the center of the text again. With that complete, you can change the view back to one view, and there you have your 3D text, and that's all there is to it.